Hello, good day everyone. For today's update, I work on with the refactoring of Tudont. Initially, the Tudont was created in Vue.js and Vuetify, and I'm using Supabase for the backend. Now, I updated the Tudont to use Next.js and also updated the UI component to use ShadCN. Now, this is the new look of the Tudont that I was working on. Initially, it's on material layout design, which is following inside the Vuetify ecosystem. Right now, I'm using multiple Tailwind CSS for gradient and using ShadCN for the components. This is the example now of the updated one. Now for the adding of Tudont list, it's now using an input from Tailwind. So we can just add it here, test, add commitment, and you can see it will go here. We can still click to edit, and we can change the status. Example, could avoid, and must avoid, and should avoid. So we can also update the status to avoided successfully and need to try again. So I changed the completed to successfully avoided and the not completed to need to try again to make it more readable with the user and have additional background or information. So still, when you click the successfully avoided, it will still gives you a motivational message. Right now, I added as well an overall progress, which we're going to have a success rate, a percentage of success rate. Also, inside the timeline, the success rate is still visible. I also added sort by date. In the board view, I updated it to have it more colorful and look like this. Also added a indicator how to use the board view and added a journey for the high priority, need attention, the success rate, the victories, and active commitments. Then there's also a few items here that I added. I will be adding more and integrate AI for the quick suggestions. And I added a streak for the days, and also the basic analytics here on top. Right now, it's now working on with Next.js and React. This is the following item now. What I'm currently doing is the backend for the Fast API. So I'm now working with the Fast API backend, and it's still not yet completed. I just finished with the structure of the backend and still need to update. Now for the front end, there's still things that I need to work on, such as adding it on a Docker container and using hooks for best practices. So the hooks right now is being used for Supabase, and I will need to update this one to use the Fast API backend after I'm done with the backend. I think this is all from my end for Tudont, and I'll be continuing with the migration afterwards. Thank you.